Poachers go to extreme and dangerous lengths to hunt down some of Africa's most majestic animals. But what is the most dangerous wildlife poaching in Africa? Join us today as we look at the cruel and unusual ways poachers take the lives of some of Africa's megafauna. Bongo. This species of forest-dwelling relative of the antelope is found in the dense jungles of Central Africa. With its striking reddish-brown fur, long legs, and large, yes, enormous horns, this unique animal is a sight to behold. However, due to habitat destruction and poaching for bushmeat, the population has declined dramatically. Today, there are only about 100,000 bongos left in the wild, which makes them a vulnerable species. As the bongo's population continues to shrink, the species could face extinction in the near future. And if that happens, it will be partly due to the extreme measures poachers go through to hunt them. Bongos are typically shy and elusive creatures who live in small groups. They spend their days eating, sleeping, and hanging out with each other. When they are threatened, they will flee into the forest. Fortunately, these antelopes are often targeted by poachers who use dogs to track them down. Once the dogs have located a bongo, they will bark furiously, causing the antelope to panic and flee. This is when the poachers strike, killing the terrified animal with a spear or a poisoned arrow. The meat of the bongo is considered a delicacy in some parts of Africa, and its horns are often sold to tourists as souvenirs. Habitat loss due to deforestation is also a major threat to the species' survival. Okapi. This animal is a relative of the giraffe and is found in the dense rainforests of the Congo. It has the body of a horse, the legs of a giraffe, and the head of a zebra. The okapi is one of the most elusive creatures in Africa and was only discovered by Western scientists in the early 20th century. The okapi is still hunted by poachers for its meat, which is considered a delicacy by some. Capus are typically shy and elusive creatures who live in small groups, looking and hanging out with each other. When they are threatened, they will flee into the forest. Unfortunately, these animals are often targeted by poachers who use traps to catch them. Once an okapi has been caught in a trap, it is usually killed with a gunshot or a snare. The meat of the okapi is considered a delicacy in some parts of Africa, and its skin is often used to make belts and other accessories. In addition to poaching, habitat loss is also a major threat to the species' survival. African wild dog. These highly endangered canines are found in the savannas and grasslands of Africa. They are known for their unique spotted coat and their ability to work together in packs to take down prey. Despite their fierce reputation, African wild dogs are actually quite gentle creatures who live in packs led by an alpha male and female. They are known for their playful and curious nature, but they are also incredibly efficient hunters. Unfortunately, these amazing animals are often targeted by poachers who use traps to catch them. Once an African wild dog has been caught in a trap, it is usually killed with a gunshot or a snare. The meat of the African wild dog is considered a delicacy in some parts of Africa, and its fur is often used to make rugs and other accessories. Habitat loss due to human encroachment is also a major threat to the species' survival. Sadly, these are just a few examples of the many amazing animals that are poached in Africa. Poachers often use cruel and inhumane methods to capture and kill these animals, and they target the most majestic and iconic species. If we don't do something to stop poaching, then these animals could be lost forever. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching.